Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find a page ID in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to find the page ID in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to sign in to your Notion. So go ahead and type in notion.so using any browser of your choice and sign in. Once you're done, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. The next step is to open the page in Notion. How do you do that? Navigate to the page in Notion that you want to find the ID for in the side panel. So here I have this page and that's to do. So I'm just going to open up the page and that's my to do. The next thing to do is to check the top of your browser. At the top of your browser or Notion app, you will see the page URL in the address bar. This is it. So the next thing for you to do is to right click or left click your mouse, left click or your right click, whichever one works for you. So right here, I actually left clicked. So left click or right click the URL and copy to get the full link. So I'm just going to right click now and I'm going to click on copy. So left click to highlight, right click to copy. The next thing to do is to identify the page ID in the URL. Now I'm going to use this. So you can actually paste the copied URL into a text editor or notepad in your system. So Notion is already a text editor. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this Control V also. So this is just easy peasy for me, but you can actually use any text editor to paste the URL that you copied from the Notion app or from the top of the browser. Now let's go ahead and identify it. The page ID is a long string of numbers and letters found within the URL. It usually comes after the last slash and is separated by hyphens. So this is it. This is the last backward slash. All right. And then this is the page URL, sudo hyphen, 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 and all of this long string of numbers and letters. So if the Notion URL looks like this whole URL in here, go ahead and from here, that's after the last slash, after the last backward slash, here we have 2 and this. So everything here from 2 is your ID, is the page ID. That's it. Everything here is the page ID. That's the portion at the end. Now, note that Notion automatically adds hyphens for readability, but the actual page ID is the entire string without the hyphen. Okay, so from here, that's after the last hyphen, is the entire string without the hyphens. So that's pretty much it. By following the steps, you can easily locate and use the page ID for various tags in Notion. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.